This was easily my lamest cow today, and it's not hard to see why. Just like humans, cows can have accidents too, and sometimes those accidents result in this: huge abscesses within the hoof capsule of their feet, causing tremendous pain and needing human intervention. This is the first in a series of trims that will get this cow back to full health. You didn't see it, but right at the beginning, that literally sprayed all over my face, and I can still smell it, and yeah, I can taste it. Ah, the glamour of your filling. Speaking of glamour, here's my glamorous assistant. And just like that, she's all done and ready to go back to her bed.
What is this? Oh no.